Showcase your brand's signature style and flair with our custom cupcake boxes. Hi, I'm Mel from Boxed. Create a memorable unboxing experience by giving your products a personalised box to call home. Print your company's logos, symbols, colours or illustrations on the boxes and your customers will know at first glance who they've purchased from. Custom boxes will help your business stand out and will give a real sense of professionalism to your product. Our clients tell us they've seen increases in sales too. And if you need a hand with the designs, our team of experts are here to help. With our custom cupcake boxes, we customise the size, quantity, material, design and colour for you. And if you decide to reorder, we create a custom mould so you can easily do so. Our custom cupcake boxes are available in different sizes and come with a removable insert that is suitable for our regular patty pans, or in industry terms, size 550. Now, what's great about having a removable insert is that you can turn each box into something entirely different by leaving the insert out. Here are a few examples of what you can do with your boxes. But as the design, colour and branding are entirely up to you, the creative possibilities are endless. The sturdy design means the boxes won't collapse when stacked on top of each other, while the lid will protect your goods for safe, contactless purchasing. Our boxes also come delivered flat packed, so assembly is required. However, putting them together is relatively easy thanks to the easy to fold method. Thanks so much for watching.